Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm down here at the barn, and we're officially on baby watch. I'm pretty sure she's her belly's kind of dropped right now, and I'll give you a shot of her in just a second, but we think probably sometime in the rest of this week, sometime next week or the week after, or might be the month after, for all we know. We're usually not very good at this, but usually we'll come down here and check, 2-3 times a day, and then we'll forget about it. We'll come back down here and there's a baby down here. So, but you can see here's a good shot of her right now. You can see how her belly right here, it's really kind of dropped, I've noticed, in the last few days. So that kind of tells me that we're getting close. And normally I would go in there and feel her tendons, and that would give you some kind of indication, but I'm just, I had knee surgery, so I'm kind of a little bit leery right now of going in there. Now I go to my doctor tomorrow, and hopefully he'll give me some good words, but still I would probably want to get her up on the milking stand and then feel it that way. I don't know if I want to go in there and do it, even though she is, gentle and all that. So, I'll try it somewhere when we get a little bit closer, maybe next week or so. But we're officially on baby watch, and I can tell by looking at her backside too, it's getting close, I believe. So maybe we'll have a Christmas baby. That's what the girls want, a Christmas baby. So that's a little update on that. A little short video here about the goats. Or the goat, Gigi's her name, and let me see if I can get a good shot here of her face. So we're hoping for 2 to 3 more boy babies, no boys. She gave us 2 girls last time, so hopefully she'll give us 2 or 3 more girls this time, and that'd do us good. And knowing our luck, it'll be all boys. So for all boys, we'll sell them all. For all girls, we might sell 1 or 2. I don't know. So anyway, if something happens in between videos, I'll post a little video about it, give you like I did last time. So speaking of my doctor, just got back from physical therapy actually, and did really good. I'm at 122 degrees, which I'm supposed to be at 120 at this junction. So I'm doing really good, doing better than I should be, and I feel I'm getting a little better, getting my energy back. So hopefully I'm going to talk to the doctor tomorrow and I can start easing back into society. I actually went to Home Depot after PT today. That felt good. First time I've been there in 7 weeks at least, maybe even longer before that. So this is week 7 of my knee replacement, and so hopefully I'll start getting back. So I don't know what Chip's doing there, because he's got feed. You might need a little water. I got to water before I go down. So I'm gonna water, and we'll go down there and look at the chickens and see how they're doing with the larvae, the black fly larvae. I'm gonna wrap that little experiment up today. So then water them, and we'll go down and look at the chickens. So I'm down here at the new flock, and of course I haven't been down here much in the last 7 weeks, and I think I've seen a little problem down here. I'm gonna show you the problem and see if you recognize it. You can leave a comment in the down below if you see it right off the bat. And by the way, I just got a new camera. This is the first time I've used it out in the field, so if it's something maybe a little better or a little worse quality, that's what it is. It's supposed to be a higher end camera, so I made the investment on it, and we'll see how it works. So far I like it really well. I just did a short or 2 with it. Haven't done any long form videos with it. This is the first one. So anyway, I'm going to see if you see the problem, and I'm going to be able to zoom in on it, I think. So I think I got a rooster in the hen house. I think it's this one right there, the white one. It's supposed to be an amber link. That right there. It's supposed to be an amber link, and it's supposed to be a hen, but boy, it sure does look like a rooster. I know if that thing starts crowing, it's a rooster, but boy, it's sure, especially right here right now. Let me see if I can get a better picture of it. I'm supposed to tell you what I thought was the problem. I'm supposed to let you guess, leave comments in the or leave what you thought in the comments. So I screwed that one up. So you can look at it and see what y'all think. And I keep looking at the screen over here. I should be looking at the camera. So you can leave a comment and see if you think it's a rooster, and I kind of think it is. So we'll have to deal with that. We don't run any roosters here. So let's go over and look at the other. Where I've been throwing or she's been throwing the larvae, and we'll check it out. So I've been feeding those black fly larvae to them. I think this is going on the second week, and I still probably got quite a bit left. I'm getting about 2 good handfuls a day, and still haven't seen any eggs, but they are drinking a lot of water. So I don't know if that fly larvae is causing them to drink water, or they're getting ready to start laying, but they're sucking that 3.5 gallons down every day, where the other flock's not even every other day. So I don't see, they look like they got mostly all the feathers back, so hopefully they're going to start laying a little bit here lately. So I don't know if that did any good, or you know, probably just running its course. So anyway, we've been trying to see if it done any good. So, but I do know they're drinking a lot more water. Hope you liked the video. Now I'm planning on doing a live this Monday, and today's Wednesday the 13th, so it'll be whatever Monday is. So if I can talk my co-host into it, so I'll confirm that in Saturday's video, and we'll probably start getting back doing the lives after probably the Monday after the 1st, because I think the 1st is a Monday. So January the 8th we'll start back full time doing our lives on Monday nights at 8, and we'll have a lot to talk about, because I got some videos in the works. I'm planning about doing some gardening stuff, and I want to talk a lot about that and what's going on and everything. So so this Monday we'll do a short live. I still have a hard time sitting like at the kitchen table, so it'll probably be about 15-20 minutes. I can't do an hour or 30 minutes even, and that's the reason why I have trouble sitting with my legs in that, or my knee in that certain position still, but it's getting better, and I appreciate all the prayers and everything for that. So anyway, support your local farmer. Appreciate all you watching, all my subscribers. Support your local, I already said that, support your local farmer. And I'll see you here in the next video.